Yep, this is a person that's really stressed. So my axles are all screwed. All four. So now I'm I don't know what to do. Well, no, I already did the deed. I bought 4 insane shafts: front right, front left, rear right, rear left. You don't want to know how much I spent, but if I would have spent money on the OEMs, I would have been paying $3,200. So that's fun. Yep. So I'm probably just gonna get a shop to install it for me. I would love to try to do it myself, but I don't wanna make any mistakes. I already tried to do a valve cover, and that I made a mistake, and I've learned, and I'm just not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do anything that I haven't done. So yeah, that's a big update. I'm gonna have to do CV axles. I'm just gonna drive the car as it is. Car drives fine, just a bit of vibrations in the steering wheel. So yeah, I'll once I get it installed, I'll give you an update. And I also got new brakes. I just got some cheap. They're not cheap. They're decent R1 concepts. They're not really high end, but at this point, I don't really care, man. But the shafts I'm getting insane shafts, so they're good up to 500 horsepower. I was debating on getting cheaper ones, but I just don't want to deal with it, man. I just don't want to deal with it. I just want it to be one and done, forget about it, and it's good. So yeah, that's a big update. So, you know, once I get it installed, hopefully everything goes well and nothing goes wrong. I'm trying to get the car ready for either Evo Day or Evos of the Dragon. So I'm trying to get the car to tail the Dragon again sometime in May. I'm not sure. But, you know, that's part of it right now. So we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, talk to you later. Bye.